Hello friends, welcome to the Careers in Consulting channel. So what shall be the mindset of a consultant? In today's video, I will discuss about this topic in a lot of detail. I will discuss about all the practical aspects regarding the same, and this is going to be a very important video because no one is talking about the basics. So please do watch this video till the end, do like it and do subscribe to the channel. Do share this video with as many people as you can and do provide your feedback in the comment section. So let's start. So as a consultant, you need to realize that you are a problem solver. So you may be an operations consultant, you may be a manufacturing consultant, but at the end of the day, you are solving a problem of the client. So you are adding value to the clients by solving their problems. Now, as a consultant, as a problem solver, you need to be very agile. So always try to learn as many things as you can, learn whatever you can, because you need to realize that client problems will always be there. Even with the new technologies coming in, clients will still need people, they will still need consultants, problem solvers who can understand their problems and provide them some solutions which will help these companies, these clients gain a competitive advantage over their competitors. So for example, currently we know that AI is the new big thing. Now even with AI coming in, jobs are only going to increase because now companies will need consultants, will need problem solvers who will understand their problems and provide them some tailored solutions which will help them gain a competitive advantage over the other companies. So please realize this point, and moving on, as a consultant, as a problem solver, have a very open mind. Be ready to do new things, because many people in consulting, they think that they will only work on the project delivery. So they will have a very fixed job. They will just work on the project delivery. Now this is incorrect mindset for a consultant, because you have to realize that in consulting teams, consultants are supposed to work on everything, starting from pre-sales work to proposal creation to project code creation to those admin tasks to project closure as well. So everything from pre-sales till project closure is handled by the consultants only. And when I talk about admin tasks, so these are tasks like you need to create the project codes, you need to allocate people to these project codes. So in every consulting firm, there are some admin activities which also need to be done, and these are also done by the consultants only. So now have this mindset as a consultant that you need to work on these things as well, because you need to realize, and in most of the consulting firms, in most of the teams, it is one person who is working on the admin activities. So apart from the project activities, this person will be working on the admin activities also. And by spending 1 hour in the week, this person becomes the superstar of the team. Right? And this person becomes irreplaceable. So this is the kind of mindset you need to have as a consultant, that okay, I will not just work on the project delivery only. I am ready to work on admin activities. I am ready to work on business development work. I am ready to work on pre-sales activities. And this is how you need to be agile. You need to be a quick learner as a consultant. Now moving on, as a consultant, you will need to be very good at two skills. One is Microsoft PowerPoint and second is Microsoft Excel. And I know that people will talk about very fancy skills. They will highlight those fancy skills. But you need to realize that PowerPoint and Excel are two tools which are very critical in every consulting team. Right? So in every consulting firm, in every consulting team, PowerPoint and Excel are utilized very extensively. So if you are good at PPT and Excel as a consultant, this will be a very beneficial thing for you. Now moving on, as a consultant, you will need to speak up as much as you can. So you have to realize that all the consulting companies, they are not selling a product. They are not selling some products in the market. They are selling their people in the market. They are selling their people resources in the market. So the consulting work is all about people coming together, brainstorming their ideas. So people bring their ideas to the table, brainstorm about those ideas and provide some good tailored solutions to the client. So you as a consultant, you need to speak up as much as you can. And I know that in general media, there is a lot of emphasis on the kind of English which needs to be spoken. But I would like to tell you here that the kind of English you speak does not matter at all. What matters is the content that you bring into the discussion. So as a consultant, whatever is on your mind, put it on the table. Bring it to the brainstorming discussions. Try to contribute as much as you can. Try to speak as much as you can. Don't think about talking in a very flowery English language. It does not matter. Just bring the content to the table, and this will help you become a very good consultant. So moving on, another thing which you must do as a consultant is you need to keep things organized. So as a consultant, you may be working on multiple activities at one time. You may be working on projects, proposals, business development activities. You may be working on practice development activities as well. So when you are working on so many things at one point in time, you may start losing track of things, and you may think that, oh my god, I am working on 5 or 6 different files at one point in time. I am losing track of everything. I am losing focus. So you need to keep things very organized as a consultant. It is really important. So you can organize the tasks in a file, or you can maintain some trackers for yourself, some personal trackers where you are tracking your tasks, so that you are not losing track of anything. So these were some really important points, tips and strategies which I wanted to discuss in this video, and I hope you will try to implement these tips in your consulting career as well. And by implementing these tips, you will realize that you will be becoming a very good consultant. Right? So do try to implement these things, and do provide your feedback once you have tried to implement these solutions. And I'm pretty sure if you will implement these solutions, you will see a lot of change in how you are able to contribute to the team in 1 month or even less than that. So do provide your feedback in the comment section. Do like this video and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next one.